Hi everyone! This is Tintin and welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to work on board the cruise ship or maybe you're just curious how much money a crew member actually spends every week, this one's for you. I've worked on board for 10 years and let me tell you, budgeting on a ship is a real skill because even if food and accommodation are free, there are still a lot of little things that can drain your wallet faster than you think. So today, let's break it down. How much does a crew member actually spend per week? Let's go behind the scenes of real crew life and see where the money goes. Let's start with the basics. Your meals and cabin are covered by the company, so that's already a huge saving. But there are still personal expenses that every crew member faces. Internet. This one is unavoidable. Most ships charge around $10 to $20 per week depending on how much data you use. Some crew use it daily to call their family, while others wait to port days to use free Wi-Fi. Crew bar and drinks. After a long day of work, most of us head to the crew bar to relax and socialize. A beer costs around $1.50 to $2, so if you grab a drink every night, that's around $10 to $30 a week. But be careful, small tabs can add up fast. Toiletries and snacks. Shampoo, toothpaste, instant noodles, chips, they're available at the cruise shop. You probably spend another $5 to $10 weekly here. So even before you step out of the ship, that's already about $30 to $60 a week gone from your pocket. Now let's talk about port days, the best and the most dangerous part of the budget. After being on the ship for days, the first thing you'll want to do is eat out or go shopping. A simple meal in port might cost $15 to $25 plus a coffee or dessert. And you're already spending $30 without noticing. If you love buying souvenirs, perfumes, or new clothes, expect to spend even more. Most crew try to limit their shore budget to around $20 to $50 per port, but some can easily go overboard, especially when you're in the beautiful ports like Italy, Greece, or the Caribbean. But that's okay, you earn it. Just remember to balance fun with savings. Now here's one of the biggest parts of the crew member financial life, sending money home. For many of us, that's the main reason we're out here at sea. Most crew members send between $1,000 to $2,000 per month to their families. That covers bills, tuition, groceries, or even house construction back home. If you divide that monthly remittance, it's like setting aside $125 to $200 per week. So even though you might only spend $50 a week on board, a big portion of your salary is still going home. And that's something every seafarer is proud of. Because every dollar you send represents your hard work, sacrifice, and love to your family. Here's the thing, working on board can really teach you financial discipline. Here are some smart money habits that experienced crew members follow. First, buy essential in bulk before you join the ship. Things like toiletries are cheaper on land. Second, limit bar nights. Save them for weekends or special occasion. Third, use free Wi-Fi in port instead of buying data on board. Fourth, bring your own snacks or coffee. Instant coffee can save you a lot. Fifth, track your spending weekly. Even $5 a day adds up fast over a 6-month contract. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. So to sum it up, a cruise ship crew member usually spends around $30 to $7 per week on board, depending on your lifestyle. Add in your monthly remittance of $1,000 to $2,000, and that's where most of your money goes. But at the end of the contract, you realize all the sacrifices, sleepless night, and homesickness are worth it when you can help your family and save for your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow seafarers. This is Tintin reminding you to work hard, save smart, and enjoy every moment on board. See you on the next video. Stay safe and God bless.